paper. And if you don't want to fold the other side, you can just get this side to fold. And put that like that. And put this way like that. And it folds. And like that we get it. And then we can fold this part like that. And we have this thing over here. You have to fold it inside both layers so we can make the bowl perfectly. And put this one right on the way you have me. And we're done in this part. Don't worry if it's open. And you need to do always for this part perfectly and not make sure not to break it. And fold this part like that, and don't break it so it won't make perfectly beautiful. Don't worry if it's not beautiful, you can make it beautiful. Okay, it's done. You gotta fold the other side. It's time for the magic to begin. A paper bowl needs a little makeover to make it beautiful. Here's a paper bowl, and we're gonna try to fold it without making it messy and not making it yucky. If you fold it like that, it will just be beautiful as you want it. You can float it anywhere, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe for our channel and make a bowl in your home. I hope you make it very right to make you happy, and me too. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.